Here's a 1957 Tri-5 Chevy. Nice looking two-door post. This particular car is a 150 model. Obviously has been done up a little fancier than that with some two-tone paint, some nice bright work. This particular car is powered with a small block Chevy underneath the hood. Also has some nice equipment underneath there, power steering, power brakes, newer Edelbrock carb, aluminum radiator. So set up to drive it. It's actually paired with a 700R4 tranny. So nice car to take down the highway. Got that overdrive transmission in it, small block Chev. Some nice equipment, aluminum radiator. The one thing on this one is you can see the paint has a nice appearance to it. When you get right up on it, you are going to see some blemishes in it. There's some more. There's some in the trunk is kind of where it stands out that I noticed, but you'll see a few spots in it here and there. So I'd call this a nice driver quality. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, check out the pictures I'm talking about up close. Tried to point out some spots in the pictures too. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Number we can be reached at is 507-386-1726. If you'd like to call us and know anything, be happy to help you out as we can on this one. As you can see, bright work's in decent shape. You'll find a little bit of pitting here and there. Riding on weld wheels. Excuse me, Kragers. Looked like welds before. Sorry about that. It does have front disc and rotors up front. There is a few spots in the front of the door, and I noticed it kind of on the both sides. You'll notice one little spot right down here, and I'll point them out when I get around to the other side. A couple little spots where it's bubbling. Look up and down the car. Nice straight car. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can sure assist you with getting this car shipped to where you're located at. It may also be eligible for an extended warranty, so you check with your sales associates that you talk to if you're interested in that. Come around to the back here. I'll show you where there's a couple of little spots that you can kind of see throughout the trunk. So it does have a little older paint to it. Great sounding car. Like I said, nice sounding car. Nice driving car. And again, check out the still pictures so you can look up and down the sides of it. You can check out the interior, check out the underside. The still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Phone number, once again, 507-386-1726. Slip around over here and we can check out the interior of this. And nicely done interior, bucket seats, center console. Aftermarket radio's been installed in it. Your aftermarket gauge is underneath the dash on it. This would come with a clear title. Title's a 57 Chevy. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it. Aftermarket gauges. A couple of those wires you see down below, so we can run an iPod or what have you off of the stereo. Glove box. Kind of cool looking stereo how they did it. Not messed around with that much at all. Pretty stock looking dash, little aftermarket wheel. You hear how easily it started, how nice it sounds. Headliner also in good shape. Kind of a two-tone blue and silver interior. Looks nice with the blue exterior. Door closes nicely, fits good. Flip around to the back, nice little rumble. Like I said, nice sounding car. It's always started right up for us. I'm going to slip around to the front here. I'm going to pause this a second. We'll pop the hood so we can take a look at the engine and give you a little idea what that engine bay looks like. One other thing I was going to point out when I was over here, I said, here's another little spot where you kind of see some bubbling. Down along the bottom of the door. Make you aware of that. So yeah, let me pause this a second. Pop the hood. Check out that engine bay. Alright, like I said, newer aluminum radiator. Edelbrock car, power steering, power brakes. Nice and tidy in here. See how smooth that small block Chev runs. And again, that is paired up with a 700 R4 automatic transmission with overdrive. So there you have it, 1957 Chevrolet, one of the most popular Tri-5 models. Or I should say one of the popular years of the Tri-5s. The model was a 150, and obviously it's dressed up a little fancier than that. Phone number 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see the still pictures down below this video. Click on the link, it's going to take you right there. This car may be eligible for an extended warranty. Ask your sales associate if you're interested in one of those. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and we'd be happy to get this car to where you're located at. Give us a call.